First, let's clean the cup using the alcohol wipe to make sure we don't have any fingerprints or any dust on it. On your previous project, like your keychain or your coasters, if you have any sticky residue, you can also use this wipe to remove them. Then, flip over your design and rub a few times with the squeegee. Before removing the back layer, you can align your design around your cup to give you an idea of the final result. Then, remove around like 3 or 4 inches of your back layer. If any of your design lift up with the back layer, put the layer back, rub with the squeegee a few times, and peel it off again. Then you have 2 different techniques. For both, align the design on your cup and apply, rub it with your hand or the squeegee. For the technique on the left, you just apply by section, meaning you're removing the back layer and then you apply and rub with the squeegee. For the technique on the right, once you apply the beginning of the design, you place the design between the cup cradle and the cup and you just very slowly roll the cup. And if you want, you can also do the same than the pen, meaning once you apply and stick the beginning of the design, you can roll the cup on the table very slowly. Next step, peel off very slowly the transfer layer so you're sure that you're not going to break any of the design. Use the transfer paper to remove any sticky parts. If necessary, use an alcohol wipe. With your cup, you have the cup care instruction that also apply to all the items that you personalize with UV DTF. It's recommended to wait 48 hours before washing to allow the full curing of the adhesive. They are not dishwasher safe, neither microwave safe. It's also recommended to hand wash them only and do not soak them. I hope you had a lot of fun doing this activity. I would love to see your creations, so feel free to tag Our Fun Creations on Instagram or on Facebook to share with me. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and have a great day!